And it's falling all the way down to 42.20, 42.19, 42.16. Wow. That's the price of the mothership as it crashes live on Rich TV Live on YouTube, the greatest streaming platform in the universe. It's true. And it's 42.06. Wow. Is this a buying opportunity? Are you dumping in panic? I mean, as far as I'm concerned, this is an amazing thing. We need to be accumulating the mothership, Bitcoin being the mothership, and the lower it goes, the more we can accumulate. So as far as I'm concerned, this is a blessing in disguise. So don't panic, people. Bitcoin is still at 4,200, even though it seems like it is crashing, falling from the highs, almost 5,000. And here we are right now at 42.12, coming in on the holiday. Are we going to hit 4,100 live on Rich TV Live? We going to 4,100? Will we see the 3,000 mark again? Here we go. Look at the downward pressure, guys. Look at this. You know it's going to break 4,200. Has to. Look at this. See that? Look at all this. Whoop. A little push, and then right back down. Will it break 4,200? We haven't seen it yet. Look, oh, the green is buying. What's up, Jared? Everything is on sale on a holiday. They don't want to see it under 4,200. But we want to see it under 4,200. Bring it back to 1,000. How about that? Let's get more for cheap. I want it cheap. You guys want it cheap? Wow. The swings in cryptocurrency. It can't be duplicated in any other industry. This was at almost 5,000. Now here we are on Monday at 4,200. And there's tons of buying on the bid at 4,200, which is not allowing it to go under 4,200. It's going to break it. It's going to break it. How many Bitcoins do I have? Not enough, man. So the lower it goes, the more I can get and the more you can get. The answer, everybody should say, how many Bitcoins does somebody have? Not enough. Right? Nobody has enough. How can you ever have enough? What's up, Nancy? What's up, Quakey? How y'all doing today on a holiday? The sun is shining. Will it give us the opportunity to buy? Oh, look at this move up here. Will it give us the opportunity? Oh, look at the move up. Looks like 4,200 may be the floor. They don't want to see it breach 4,200. Or will we see it breach 4,200? The momentum is now moving up. Look at the momentum, people. And this is the 1 hour chart. So this is how it's done in the last hour. Would you like to see how it's done in the last 24 hours? So this is what it's done in the last 24 hours. Been as high as 4,600. As you guys can see here, 4,618 was the high. And we've seen a low of around 4,200 being the bottom. So, what do you guys think? You think this is a good buying opportunity? Do you think that this will go lower? Some analysts, experts have predicted that it could go as low as 3,500. Do you guys see it going to 3,500, or do you think that 4,200 is the floor? Right now, it looks like 4,200 is the floor based on what we've seen in the last 24 hours. But stranger things have happened. And in this digital currency, anything can essentially happen, because look at the moves here. Look at the moves in the last week. So we've seen it as low as where we're at right now. This is the lowest it's been in the last week at 4,200. We've also seen a high of 49.70. So it's been as high as 49.70, and now it's like it's come off a cliff. It climbed. I think you would call this like a head and shoulders pattern. And then you got the shoulder there, and you got the head, and then it comes back down, and then you got the shoulder there, right? And then it's coming all the way back down. So it looks almost like a pump and dump, like a pump and then the dump. But it's not obviously a pump and dump. It's just normal accumulation and then selling. Yo, what's up, Joey Rocket? Yo, man. Joey Rocket, man. What's up, brother? It's good to see you here, man. You should call in, man. Join me. Let's go live, bro. What do you guys think? You guys are the experts. It was at 4,200 just a second ago, and now it's climbing. Let's actually look at the 1 hour chart so we can see this climb. Look at this move. Look at the momentum now. All the momentum is pointing upward. Let's go into Trading View. Get you guys some music here. The champ! What's up, peeps? I didn't even come live to nobody yesterday. That was crazy. That's just weird, right? That's like not normal for me, not going live. I'm still just kind of like... You guys gotta go to the one-stop shop. Hurricane relief here on Rich TV Live, people.
Oh man, I'm doing great.
Unbelievable.
I know that you are in...
We ain't just having fun. We making money. We also making a difference. True. Now, you go to Rich TV Live, everything is there. And I found a new company today. I want all you guys to join. Join the dream team. But I got a new company for you guys. A new affiliate opportunity. But this affiliate opportunity is not like an HYIP, hyper yield investment platform. It's not. No. It's a coin. Oh yeah, it's a coin. Are you guys ready? So you just go to Rich TV Live and you click on MCAP, and I also got it in the description down below in case you like to join the dream team. But let me just show you guys what they do so you can get education, because education is important. Ready?
Bitcoin Fund, iMining, and ICO Fund. Blockchain technology is changing the world. cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, which started at zero value, today is worth over $1,200 in a very short span of time. Bitcoin's success
over
has led to
$4,000.
a whole new cryptocurrency trading and mining industry, which has combined market capitalization of over $30 billion today.
Over $148 billion.
MoneyRow, Dash, Zcash, and more have become popular mining and trading investments for people. Traders around the world are trading approximately $400 million worth of these cryptocurrencies on hundreds of online exchanges that have sprung up around the world every day. We have all read news about thousands of early adopters who have earned returns in multiples of thousands by investing in mining and participating in initial coin offering of these currencies. Is it all too complex for you and wish you could profit from growth of this industry and not miss the boat? Are you busy at work and don't have time to look into rapid new developments within this high return industry? Introducing MCAP. We at Bitcoin Growth Fund have created MCAP, the world's first mining and ICO fund that makes it easy for regular investors who cannot keep pace with growing scale of investment and rapid development within this new industry. Our team of experienced cryptocurrency technologists, researchers, and traders identify growth opportunities and invest your capital in both mining as well as ICO opportunities that share earnings with you on a monthly basis. Now, all you need to do is get on with your daily life while your capital is deployed in high-growth cryptocurrency industry and working for you. Visit us today at www.bitcoingrowthfund.com and learn more.
Oh, yes, it's true. You know, at Rich TV Live, we are always bringing new exciting opportunities. And yes, it's true. I will put a description down below for you guys. Let me just do that right now. And we'll put some tunes on while we wait. While we wait to give you guys the description of the links, which I think is vital so that you guys can learn how to be a part of the dream team. Do I have? I think I do. I think I do have the link. I believe it's in the description down below, people. And make sure you hit that like button. And subscribe if you haven't already. Like, what are you waiting for? Oh. Why are you getting all funky for me? My goodness. You know what? I gotta do this old school stuff. Oh, the affiliate links. Everything is right there. Let's look at the mothership. Currently at $4,211. Guys, join the dream team. Bitcoin Growth Fund, the next generation in affiliate marketing. And who brought it to you guys first? That's true. Rich TV Live. Like I told you guys, all I'm gonna do is bring you winners. All I want to do is bring you winners. And this right here, this is a winner. You want to see where I found it? And yes, you can find it right here on Rich TV Live. You click on affiliate links, and it's the first link. Always got tricks up these sleeves. There's always another opportunity around the corner. Always. Always another opportunity around the corner.
You know, we just keep those kind of victims in our prayers, and help comes to the.
All right, so I've given you guys the referral link. Let's bring out the Angel of Mercy. You like the dream team, do ya, Big Sky Trader? You guys gotta send me some videos, man. Send me your videos. Come on, people. Look at the markets. We are bleeding red. It is a sea of red, which means bye, 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 bye. That's a sea of red, peeps. It's true. It's a sea of red, which means it's a buying opportunity. And I told you guys when it was in the green, that was the selling opportunity if you want to trade. But if you're like me and you're just accumulating, then this is the time to buy. Nobody wants to see you, Big Sky Trader. All right. I can deal with that. Wow. OMG. Down to 796. Is this a buying opportunity? Neo down to 18? What? Monero down to 102. This is why I don't like to buy dips. Because you don't know how low it's going to go. I'd like to wait to see when it's going to start to turn around before I start to buy it. Because this is like a massive fall. This is not just a dip. Like, some of these coins are going down dramatically. 25, 38% for Neo. 38% down for Neo. And I haven't bought it because I said I just want to see the bottom. The question is this the bottom? I think we've heard enough of the Angel of Mercy. People are just leaving. The fourth, Rich. This is me if you want to watch. Oh my goodness. Well, you know what? Let's take a look at the mothership. Currently at $4,225. Look at the chart. It came down, it came up, it came down, it came up. You know, it's been up as high as 42.40. It's bouncing between 4,200 and 42.40. So that's kind of where it's bouncing. It seems like this is around 4,200. This is the floor here, which is hit a few times. And this is around 42.40 here. So it doesn't seem to want to go under 4,200, and it doesn't want to seem to go higher in the last hour, the last half an hour, than 42.40. Just bouncing between those two numbers. Yeah, the floor is a bloodbath. It is complete and utter bloodbath. Everything is in the red. Look at this. Do we see anything in the green in the top 20? Nothing in the green in the top 20. Not one. How is that possible? How is that possible, guys? Explain this to me. How is it possible that every coin is in the red at the same time? Now, I know that Bitcoin is down dramatically, and it is the mothership. But how is everything down all at the same time? Honestly, I think it's because everything was up too much, and this is a massive pullback. That's what I think. But I think it's also an opportunity for anybody who wants to buy.
Are you listening? Damn.
Because if you want to buy, this is the time to buy. What's up, King Louis IV? What's up, Big Sky Trader? What's up, 0815 Rowdy? What's up, Crypto Corey? Man, everything is in the red. Now, is this a buying opportunity? Are you guys dumping in panic? Or are you guys accumulating? China banned ICOs? Wow. Crazy. Chinese blockchain conferences canceled in fear of ICO crackdown. China's central bank deems ICOs illegal. Oh my goodness. That's pretty intense. That is pretty intense. Wow. China's central bank deems ICOs illegal. Wow. Well, you know, we always knew that China was going to do things differently. But, wow. That's some big news, guys. Let's put that right here. Here we go. Wow. This is some huge news. We're going to read into this. I'm going to read into this. Hold on. Thank you for bringing this to my attention. 0815 Rowdy. Thank you for bringing this to my attention. Wow. This is crazy. And it is causing the market to crash. Wow. All right, let's look into this. This is crazy. Let's take a look at this. The People's Bank of China, PBOC, has ordered the cessation of all initial coin offerings, ICOs, in China, mandating that active ICOs must return funds to investors. Wow! The announcement confirms rumors originating from Chinese media outlet Caixin that the PBOC has decided to initiate a crackdown on initial coin offerings operating in China. Wow! Oh my goodness. Okay, this is... Wow. This is big news. Wow. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Is this big news or what? PBOC has deemed initial coin offerings to comprise the unlawful conducting of open financing and the illegal issuance of securities. Wow. The PBOC has initiated... Wow, 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 wow. This is big. This is big. 0815 Rowdy says the ICO party is over. go buy some good coins in the next few days, like LTC and BTC. Wow. And King Louis IV is saying, time to list all the Chinese ICOs here now. Well, yeah, NEO's going to crash. And it already has. That is just mental. Like, this is crazy. Wow. The PBOC has initiated a nationwide crackdown on ICOs operating in China. The central bank is reported to have described initial coin offerings as compromising the unlawful illegal open financing, illegal fundraising, illegal issuance of securities, illegal sale of tokens to raise funds, and financial fraud. Wow. Pyramid schemes and other criminal activities. And ordered the cessation of all ICOs currently taking place in China. Oh my goodness. China's central bank reasserted its position that cryptocurrencies are not recognized as a legitimate currency and stated that banks are forbidden from providing financial services to ICOs. What? Oh my goodness. This is pure chaos, people. This is chaos. Wow. 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 Many from within the cryptocurrency economy have spoken in favor of tight Chinese ICO regulations. Managing partner of Kinetic Capital, Yihan Chu, has welcomed Chinese ICO regulations, stating that due to China's size and one of the most speculative IPO markets, China needed to take firmer action. Imad Mostak of Capricorn Fund Managers has described the central bank's announcement as a positive move given the rapid proliferation of low quality and possibly fraudulent coin sales promising the moon. Wow. There is tremendous value in the model, but we need to see more separation of high quality, ethical offerings versus those seeking to circumvent securities law for a quick buck. There's a lot of ICOs that are not really good, strong companies. China's ICO ban comes at a time of growing interest in initial coin offerings from regulatory institutions worldwide. The PBOC's crackdown comprises a notably more aggressive policy than those being explored by most governments within the United States, Singapore, and Canada, all emphasizing a desire to restrict the distribution of unlicensed securities through token sales. Do you think that other governments are likely to follow China's lead and ban initial coin offerings? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Wow. 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 So this is pretty huge news, guys. This is the reason why all the coins are in the red. Wow. My goodness. Let's just go back. So now the Chinese blockchain conference was canceled? Oh my goodness. This is some big news. The Chinese blockchain conference was canceled. Wow. Let's take a look at the mothership real quickly. As we speak, the mothership is growing. It is growing. The mothership is too strong. I don't think that read the news. NEO is in the heart of the darkness in China where they're banning ICOs, and that's where NEO is. Where they've got a lot of investors is in Asia. Being considered the Asian Ethereum. But look at this move by the mothership. Wow. Live on YouTube and Rich TV Live. Wow. Look at this move. We're going to hit 4,300 right here. Look at this power. Look at the buying. All the green is buying, guys. Wow. 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 It's a war zone. Does this mean that NEO is going to disappear altogether? Asks King Louis. I don't think NEO's going anywhere, guys. I just think that they're going to crack down on ICOs. Now, if NEO, look at this bloodbath. If NEO is one of the ICOs that they choose to crack down on, then that's possible. But I really hope that's not the case. I'm not hoping for NEO to go out of business. That wouldn't be in my best interest. That wouldn't be in your best interest. I don't think it would be in anybody's best interests. But take a look at this. Look at this bloodbath. I don't think NEO is one of the companies that is fake. But if a lot of their investors are in that region of the world, then you're going to expect it to be hurt. And right now it's down 38%. It's a bloodbath. Let's look at the top 10. Bitcoin is down 7%. Ethereum is down 17%. Litecoin is down just under 16%. Bitcoin Cash is down 15%. Wow. These are some big drops. Ripple is down 14%. Ethereum Classic is down 13%. Oh my goodness. OMG. Down 23%. NEO now down 39%. NEO is getting hit on the chin. Hard. Monero is down 17%. And IOTA is down 23%. Wow. Just getting destroyed. Yeah, it's a big correction, but this is news driven, guys. This driven news, I mean, China cracking down on ICOs is huge news because a big majority of the money that has been rolling into ICOs has been coming from China. Yeah, man, you can't go wrong when you're buying BTC, Ethereum, or Litecoin. Now let's read this. Chinese blockchain conference canceled in fear of ICO crackdown. So Chinese media have reported that the People's Bank of China, PBOC, has determined the majority of initial coin offerings, ICOs, to be in violation of fundraising laws. Offerings. Wow. prompting the cancellation of at least one major cryptocurrency event previously scheduled for September. The report has emerged following recent revelations that the PBOC has been in discussions regarding regulatory measures designed to curb the proliferation of ICOs in China. Wow. Chinese officials traveled to U.S. to discuss fintech and cryptocurrency regulations. The PBOC is alleged to have determined that more than 90% of ICO projects could be violating illegal fundraising or fund fraud laws. Wow. This is huge news, people. Huge news. Citing an anonymous source, Caxton has reported that Chinese regulators have deemed initial coin offerings to be in violation of fundraising laws. Caxton alleged that People's Bank of China has concluded that more than 90% of ICO projects could be violating illegal fundraising or fund fraud laws, alleging that the percentage of projects that are actually raising funds for investments is less than 1%. Wow. Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I don't think you guys really understand.
If you came to prove, there's no reason to prove.
The ICO refunded money is probably going to go back to the people that invested in them. Wow. Wow.
And now you've got yourself something funky.
You think Neo's going to survive this? This is going to really shake things up. Think about it this way, guys. This is the first government bank to deem it illegal. To deem ICOs illegal. Wow. This is shocking. Yeah, King Louis, good point. Too many important figures in China are probably already invested into Neo. Wow. Wow. This is mind-boggling. You guys want to hear some more? According to Caxton's source, the PBOC's determinations mark the imminence of a crackdown on ICOs. This is the start of a witch hunt, people. And we don't know which companies will be considered illegal. This is scary. Caxton's source described that the ICO industry as resembling a flock of sheep, stating that the crackdown will be designed to target the leading sheep of the flock, and that there will be some exemptions for people who are just following the flock, suggesting that authorities will pursue individuals who seek to conduct unlawful initial coin offerings, and that consumers who participate in ICOs may not be subject of illegal recourse. Wow. Wow. Morale says, I think this will lead only a few cryptos surviving, which we were all expecting anyways by 2020. This is scary. This is scary. Which way do governments go? Do they go on the legal way or the illegal way? Wow. Wow. This is mind-boggling. Caxton has reported that major cryptocurrency event, the 2017 DACA Blockchain International Summit, has been abruptly halted due to this news. If you're shutting down an entire event, this can't be just small news. Wow. This is like one of those wow moments. Wow. I mean, whew, this is deep. Some evil streets. Some very, very evil streets. I don't even know what to think right now. This is mind-boggling. This is exactly what the SEC has been doing with ICO companies in the stock market, Miral. Crypto Corey says the SEC has got wind and it will get bigger. Oh yeah, this is why I'm like very concerned. C. Biancarok is saying, I lost 30,000 from BCH. Please help me. Cut loss or hold? Well, I wouldn't cut my losses. I would hold. Garrick is saying it's going to be tough for Neo. Yeah, I think it's going to be tough for all the cryptocurrencies right now. Like, what happens if they come out and say that 90% of the ICOs that we've been investing in are illegal? Could you imagine that? Because that's what they're saying. This is kind of scary. Caxton reports that the 2017 DACA Blockchain International Summit, scheduled for September 2nd, was abruptly halted just one day prior to the commencement of the cryptocurrency event as a consequence of the PBOC determinations. And we're just getting wind of this now. Caxton states that all blockchain events that's supposed to be held in September in Beijing should postpone or be held in another city, and suggests that 2017 Global Blockchain Summit organized by Huobi, scheduled for the 23rd of September, will also likely be deferred. Wow. The 2017 Shape the Future conference that was to be held on September 10th in China may be postponed, according to people familiar with the matter, and an announcement on the matter should follow in a few days. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow. This is crazy. This is crazy. Last week, it was reported that China's central bank was in discussions regarding a range of regulatory measures designed to curb the proliferation of ICOs. But to make them illegal in the country, including the consideration of a total suspension of all ICOs occurring in China. According to a report prepared by China's National Internet Financial Security Technical Committee. 65 Chinese ICOs have raised approximately 2.6 billion won, 400 million USD from 105,000 citizens so far during 2017. Wow. Do you think China will be able to effectively regulate and control the ICO industry? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Well, if they're deeming it illegal, then they're not involved in the industry anymore. So how can they regulate it? I don't understand. Like, I'm so confused how they can just deem it illegal. Wow. This is huge news. This is just staggering. See, all they're talking about is regulations here on the first page of Bitcoin.com, okay? Israeli Securities Authority established committee to consider ICO regulations. Chinese blockchain conference canceled in fear of ICO crackdown. China's central bank deems ICOs illegal. South Korea takes steps to regulate digital currencies. The entire page is about crackdowns on ICOs, and of course the price goes down. Do you see how this affects the market? How fear affects the market? So this is what's going on today, and this is why the market is crashing. And there's so many ICOs. They're opening up everywhere. And I'm just getting involved and subscribing and learning about a lot of these ICOs. And there's a lot of them. And I like a lot of them. And I'm researching a lot of them. And there's so many of them, we have to really identify which ones are real. And I think if they're going to crack down on it, it's good that they crack down on it. But to make them all illegal, that's a little bit concerning. As to say the least, that's a little bit concerning. Let's take a look at the price of the mothership. Currently at $4,244. Wow. Crazy. Wow. Wow. This is pretty intense. I didn't expect to see this today. Cryptocurrencies. You're definitely taking me for a spin here. I don't know which way you guys are going to go, but this can't be good. But then again, the Chinese are always in their own island. Now, is this a move by the elite to try to stop the spreading of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies? Because yesterday, I'm walking down the street and I see this sign. And it said, Bitcoin accepted here. And I thought, oh my goodness, it's happening. We can now use Bitcoin to buy food, groceries, shopping. It's being accepted here. But with the crackdown in China, what does this mean for the future of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies? Is this just a move by the elite to just slow down the new revolution in digital currencies? Wow. Wow. I don't know what this means for crypto stocks, But there's going to be a witch hunt, people. A witch hunt. Yeah, and Morale has a good point. What if it's just the scheme for the banks to buy Bitcoin cheaper? I mean, it was going up so fast, they had to do something to create fear, to take the price down. And when an entire country is deeming this industry to be 90% illegal, look at the effect. But look at this, NEO is starting to climb again. Look at the effect. Everything is in the red. Do we have anything in the green? Even one. Nothing in the green in the top 10. Nothing in the green in the top 20. Nothing in the green in the top 30. Nothing in the green in the top 40. Wow. Nothing in the green in the top. There's one! The Mona coin. Oh, there's two. OK Cash. Up 53%. Maybe OK Cash is okay. I don't know. What do you guys think? Yeah. David Modell. We're going live soon, brother. David, when you want to go live, bro? Let's do it like now. I'm ready, bro. Let's talk about this crash. Let's go live. I'll stop the stream and start the next one, and we'll go live, bro. Just give me the word, man. Because I got to take my son to a soccer tournament, and I got to leave here by 11. So I'd rather get it in now if we could, if you're available, David. Let's do this, man. Let's go live. There's a witch hunt on the way, man, and we could talk about it. We could talk about it. It's crazy. It's big news. Big news. Huge news. China's central bank deems ICOs illegal. Refunds mandated. That's going to cause a lot of problems. A lot of these companies probably spent a lot of money already. Yeah, I think that the Bitcoin penny stocks are going to get crushed. Gegard. I think they're going to get crushed. You're going live, Crypto Corey? All right, David. You know what? So then let me close this stream up and we'll go live. All right, people. Be careful out there. We are at war. Cryptocurrencies are under attack. The Chinese government just said the ICOs are illegal. Wow. This is do or die time, guys. This is do or die. But don't worry, I'm coming back with David Modell. We're coming back live. Visit Rich TV Live. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the like down below and comment on the show because all I do is bring you the news 24/7. Right now it's do or die. Do or die. Stay alive. Survive. Alright, people. You know what time it is. It's time for David Modell and Rich TV Live. Look at the mothership. Oh my goodness, we in a sea of red. Later. It's climbing.